It looks like the glitch on CoinGecko is over. It's showing its price $2. And if I go to Shiba Swap, I see $2 as well. But I got a special treat to show you. We're going to continue this movement to see how much bones you need to get to a certain price when the price do go up, in my opinion, not financial advice. Let's have some fun. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's have some entertainment, educational fun here, and let's get little Timmy to the show. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. But first, it's good to have CoinGecko. The glitch is over because it showed 0 earlier today. Now it's showing the correct price. Now, what I was doing today was a little treat about how much bone you need to get to a certain price. You know, your goal, because I know you got a goal for bone, Shiba, and possible leash. Now, 50 bones, $2 is $100. I get it. That may be much for you. But 50 bones to get to the all-time high, $3,500. That's saying a lot. And so what I'm saying is that bone eventually, there's going to be a demand for this actually token, this coin, because there's only so much of a supply. And eventually, as we go up in years, when we start accumulating those years, the demand of bone can start going up. So when they start in terms of minting the bone and giving those bone rewards can start going lower, but that means demand can go higher. So 50 bones, and if you just hodl, not financial advice, it can mean something in the future. Now, $70, it hit the all-time high, but look at this. Let's say it gets to $100, $5 grand. $5 grand for 50 bones. Let's continue doing this right now. 100. Some people on this channel may have 100 bones or 50. So be proud of what you got. Be proud that you can do something with that. Be proud that the fact that you can get a little Timmy something to show. But anyway, I'm just using little Timmy as an example. I'm just for fun, entertainment purposes. So 100 bone, $2 is $200. At the current price, look at this. $2 on CoinGecko, $2 on the actual Shiba Swap itself. That's today on August 12, 2021. But $15, it did hit $15 early on. That gets you $1,500. Now, that may pay the mortgage, the rent. That does something just for your 100 bones, burying the value of it. Just stay with me. But you holding on to $70, not saying it will get to $70. I think it can get back up there in time, and you just hold and hodl $7,000. And in Shiba Swap, there's so many ways how you can earn free bone. There's so many ways. If I go to my wolfing area, there's ways I can earn free bone. Look at this. If I just click on here, there's bone being accumulated on this pairing and on that pairing, just to let you know real quick. Now, going to 200 bone. Once again, $2, $200 times 2, $400. Hey, I'm good. I mean, heck, that case for the cell phone bill, that's the value of paying for the insurance bill. Both of them, actually. So that's the value I'm looking at. Pays a bill by holding my bone. But if I continue waiting, let's say $15. $15, I wait for that, $3 grand. Now we're getting little Timmy something to really shine about. We can go to his actually show and tell and show the audience what we got for little Timmy. Now, $200 times 70, the all-time high price, now $14,000. Now we're thinking about, okay, you know, a new car, or just maybe you never sell your bone, or maybe you just keep accumulating. But look at this. If I say $100, let's say it gets to $100 because the demand over time, maybe a year or 2 years or under that par, if it gets to that point, $20,000. Not financial advice, not necessarily it'll get there. We're just having some fun with it right now. And if I go back to the Shiba Swap, I showed you before you can earn bone rewards by digging and wolfing, but you also earn some rewards just by burying them. So me burying these bones, I'm earning rewards on a bi-weekly basis because they moved to a bi-weekly system. Now, if I go back to the chart here, $500 and $1,000. Now you start getting into a different class by yourself when you start getting past 500. So congratulations if you have 1 bone, or if you have 1,000 bones, congratulations. But with 500 times 2, $1,000, not bad at all. But when you started getting 500 times 15, 7,500, and look at the big one here, all-time high price. All-time high price. Let me go ahead and zoom this in. $35,000 at all-time high price, $70. And it hit that earlier back in what, May? It got there. But no, not May, no, July, it got there. It started at high and then it started going down low. And now it's getting ready to go ahead and make another move again, in my opinion, in some point. So you look at $100, 50 grand, $50,000. You know, that's more than about most people make in a year. And you got that on just holding your 500 bone. Or if you had 100 bone, you're earning, if it gets to $100, you're getting what? How much is that? $10,000. $10,000. But let me go back here. So 500 times 100 is $50,000 just by hodling. And there's so many ways of how you can earn bone, by staking them, or by staking and burying them, or by digging for them as well. And so, and the last one here is 1,000. Now, if you got more than 1,000, power to you. If you only have one, congratulations. Be proud of that one bone, or 2 bones, or 3 bones. But anyway, 1,000 times 2, what the price, what it is right now, if I go back to the price, about $2, it's $2,000. And then 1,000 times $15, we're just made to put a price in there. That's not a bad little coin. That's not a bad coin, $15,000 worth of value. Now, the thing about it though, you can cash that out, or you can just continue waiting, or you can swap it for something else. Depending on your strategy. That's why it's no financial advice, because everybody strategy is different. So it's no financial advice. It's for entertainment, informational, educational purposes to get you to think. But look at that. If you wait till it gets $70, let's say it gets back to $70, just saying if it does, $70,000. Now, little Timmy, not only he can get 6 Flags, he may actually buy not only 1 Six Flags, but 2 Six Flags, little Timmy, $70,000. Maybe he can rent it out. But look at this. If it gets to $100, now we're talking $100,000. Now you can do something really special with that. Buy a new house, or you can just keep hodling. Some people may hold bone forever. That just means that, hey, we'll see what happens in the future. So I just want you to think about some of those numbers there. Be proud of what you have. You'll be rewarded by holding and burying your bones and staying focused. And look at the numbers and seeing that, okay, if I got 15 bones, this is what could happen. You know what? I did 50, but then if I did 15, and if it gets to $70, that's not bad. That's $1,000 for 15 bones just by holding. And basically so many ways of how you can earn bone. And one of the most popular way is just by staking them. I know if you stake your bones or you stake your Shiba, you get you a low amount, but over time that does accumulate. It does get bigger over time. But anyway, look at this video a few more times. Look at where you are in your bones and kind of predict exactly what your price targets are. And then maybe what's your exit plan strategy, or maybe you don't have an exit plan strategy. You plan to just hold forever. And that's okay too, as long as you have a plan and strategy and you're okay with that. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Captain NU in service. And I'm so excited about Bone, because prediction for Bone, I'm thinking Bone can at least get $50 by the end of this year. So let's say I got $50. That's $2,500. That does something. Man, what can I do with $2,500? I can find a couple of things to do with it, and I know you can as well. So that's my price prediction. At least, not financial advice, at least $50. In my opinion, I think it can go higher than that based on the demand and where Shiba's at and where Leash is at and where things are in terms of the whole ecosystem. But $50 is something I feel like it could happen. And so if I got $50, and if I got 1,000 of these things, I don't think of, hold on. That's, ooh, man, won't that be nice if it hits $500? But let's say if it's $50, I got 50 grand. And right now, I got 1,000. I got 1,100. So for me, you know, we're going to be excited about this. And I'll show exactly when it does happen. In my opinion, I will go ahead and do a video and show you exactly how I'm going to do that as well. Have a good night. Have a good day. Look, watch this video a couple of times. Compare this chart together on your plans and your strategies. And I'll be back for another video. Don't forget to click on the links below, for that can help you each and every single day. I'll see you next time.